Hi everybody, today I'm repairing this thing, the switches from the power windows and the central locking. But very often is that there in these switches, I'm sorry, this is the stupid focus. So here comes the mess and water and another stuff, and it get stuck or doesn't want to operate anymore. So first step is to remove the switches from this holder. You can do it simply with a screwdriver and release these clips, and by pushing it from this upper side in this direction. When you remove it, you must do the similar procedure with this switch itself. I will try to focus on it better. There are also 1, 2, 3, 4 clips on both sides, so you will extract or remove these parts, these two parts, the plastic switch itself and printed circuit board. On it there will be these 4 metal pieces, already rusted or worn out, but it doesn't matter, because if it's completely rusty you can use ideally this Scotch-Brite, soft Scotch-Brite, and clean it carefully from the rust and from all deposits. Then check both sides, and if there is no rust anymore, it's good to resolder these soldering pots, but very carefully. Don't add much of the solder here, just to remove this oxidation and cover it with the solder. Also clean these metal pieces from the inside, from this rust. It's maybe 15 minutes each switch, and reassemble it back. It should be double click up, one step and second step up, and one step and second step down. So this one, somebody tried to use the force, and you can see that somebody already wanted to repair it, but it was not ideal. So be careful not to break this side walls. You can see how it is clamped. I think that this is similar or on both Audi, Volkswagen, Seat, and maybe Skoda models from year 1998 to 2010, maybe more. So fix is pretty simple. It's only needed these basic tools and carefully clean it. You can also change the LED light, LED color, and you can measure these resistors with the ohmmeter, with the multimeter. if there is everything okay. Also check these traces on the PCB, ideally towards the daylight, and try to recognize if there is no interruption in this. It is not interrupted, so we can see it will be good. So this is all for today. I hope it will be helpful for somebody and spare some money with this. So have a nice day, keep repairing your cars, it's pretty simple.